Here comes a weather report from, what? Inside an apartment? Well, how's that supposed to work? Well, I mean, you can still see outside, I guess. Yeah, but I can't be on the patio. Well, no, they're doing work on the patio. Look, you can see they've taped it all off. They're gonna make it even bigger and better and greater. Okay. So, sunny days, good weather. Yay. Well, that was very lackluster, Mr. Meteor Mark. Ow! We weren't gonna use that name. Yeah, well, you gotta get used to your new name and your new location. It's part of the job. Okay.